Sa kay Kwan nga po no main do.
Christmas is concert. Free po yan. Free Christmas concert sa Marikina Riverbanks. 7 p.m. with my special guests, Kay Brosa, Sadie Navarro, and Miss Marian Rodriguez. And bukas na po yan, 7 p.m. sa Marikina Riverbanks Amphitheater. And magkakaroon po ako ng mall show mamaya sa SM Bikutan at 4 p.m. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan.
Okay, ako naman po, December 17 concert ni Sale.
Kadelang.
Official entry po ng Vivo Films and Video Foundation with Jericho Rosales and Curtis Phillips and Starcast. So, December 25 na po yung show eh. And may mall show po may December 14 sa SM Marikina, December 20 sa SM Fairview at Premier Night po sa December 20 sa SM Mega Mall, Cinema 9 and 10. And December 23, Glorieta Activity Center. And December 19 po may show po with Nonoy Zuniga and Basil Valdez sa Music Museum po, December 19. Sana po pumunta kayo.
Alright, thank you very much, Eric, Christian, and Mark!
Salamat! Thank you, Wawa Weekend.